subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Sony Xperia Ace back in May last year, the company is now reported to launch the successor of it as Xperia Ace 2. And before the launch, the upcoming Xperia Ace 2 smartphone case renders has leaked online, and it was also spotted on Google Play Console listing that reveals the front look of the smartphone including some key specifications. According to leaks, the Sony Xperia Ace 2 will support a tall HD+ resolution display with 300 pixel per inch density, and it has a U-shaped notch at the top center for selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone will feature a vertically aligned dual camera setup at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The volume rockers and the power button equipped by the fingerprint sensor is visible on the right edge, along with the dedicated camera shutter button. The bottom of the phone will house a speaker grill, microphone and a Type-C charging port, while at the top appears to have 3.5mm headphone jack. Under the hood, the Sony Xperia Ace 2 is listed to come powered by MediaTek Helio P35 chipset, paired with 4GB of RAM. The smartphone is expected to pack with 64 or 128GB of internal storage, and it will run on Android 11 out of the box. Apart from this, there is no other details of Xperia Ace 2 has leaked so far. So as of now, that's all we know about the Xperia Ace 2 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.